Rizaleño. So today is Sunday. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Crescent Cafe and Studio Pottery. And I'm excited to try hindi lamang pagkain, kundi pati na rin yung pottery dito. So parang it's a combination of art and food experience dito sa Rizal. So let me tour you around because I am so excited. Yan, papasok tayo ngayon. So, ito yung makikita nyo, Rizaleños. Look at that. Yan ang makikita nyo. Look. More nature. And that's friendly din yung area na. Pwede rin kayo magdala ng mga dog, yung mga pets, and malaking area ng parking. So, I'm excited. So, let's see. Kasama rin natin si Gian. Of course. Gian, hi ka naman sa mga Rizaleños.
Hi guys! Hi Rizaleños!
Ayan na, si Gian pa ang pinaka-fast learner na intern. No, just kidding. So, let's go and see. Rizaleños. Look at that. Diba? Tignan yung so, ito siya. So, papunta tayo ngayon where? So, I'm not sure. Actually, nandito na rin si Sir Mar Bacani. So, I'm excited to meet them. And meron ding mga ibang guests aside from us. And yun. Oh, there's fishes din. Yun, so meron ding mga fishes dito. Yan, Rizaleño. And of course, yan. I found them. Sir Mar Bacani. Sir Mar! Yan, of course, Sir Mar Bacani. Ayan. Nag-vlog na po ko. Hi, ma'am. Sorry, I'm late. Ayan. So, I finally meet the person behind Crescent and Studio Pottery. And of course, Sir Mar Bacani. Ayan. And the owner of this. Welcome. Crescent Rizal po. Sir name po, ma'am? Lannelle. Ayan. Si Ma'am Lannelle. And she will tour us around here in Crescent Moon and Studio Pottery. So, Miss Lannelle, just want to ask po, like for how many years na po ang Crescent Moon? On the spot po, pasensya naman.
We will be 25 years old, January 12, 2022.
Wow! And then later, you'll tour me around po. And show me yung mga activities that they can do here. I heard na parang pwede rin po silang on the spot mag-pottery. Tama po ba?
Not on the spot. They have to do, they have to reserve for
yun.
workshops.
Okay, so I'm excited, but of course, Rizaleños. I just need to talk to Miss Lannelle first. And of course, thank you, Sir Mar Bacani. So, mamaya Rizaleños, ipapasyal ko kayo dito. Okay, so let's go. So, diba? Parang if you would like to be close to nature, nang malapit lang sa Manila, and have some good food, I think this is another best place to visit here in Rizal. So look at that, Rizaleños, diba? Ang daming puno, ang daming trees, as in big trees na madahon talaga. Para ako nasa instant close to nature, kumbaga. Ayan. And ito na siya. There's a dining area here, but that's not the main Rizaleños. So, papasok na ako sa pinaka-area nila. And I'll introduce you to the owner of the Crescent Moon Cafe and Studio Pottery. O, ayan. So, her name is, of course, Miss Lannelle. Ayan. So, Miss Lannelle, good morning po.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hi,
So,
Michelle. Welcome. Welcome to Crescent Moon Cafe.
ayan. And hi din po kayo, ma'am, sa ating mga fellow Rizaleños. Ayan. Ayan. So, Ma'am Lannelle, can you tell us a quick story about how the Crescent Moon Cafe and Studio Pottery started?
It started, we will be 25 years old, January 2022. It started with my husband cooking here, and then we also make our ceramics here.
Yun po. So, napaka-nice naman po ng area na to, ma'am. Parang instant waterfall talaga. So, parang I can feel na parang may pagka-valley and nature talaga yung inspiration ng the Crescent Moon Cafe and Pottery. Ayan. So, tingnan mo to, Rizaleños. Look at that, diba? Pakinggan niyo yung lagas-las talaga ng tubig. Talaga lagas, diba? Nakaka-relax. Sobrang nakaka-relax naman dito, Ma'am Lannelle. And I've heard na meron po daw activity that we can do here. Actually, it's activities like the pottery and what is the other one po ba?
We have workshops for pottery making. We schedule it, so you can call to reserve. We have 3 weekends in January next year na pottery workshop.
Ayan. So, starting next year po yan, tama?
And before the pandemic, we would have painting class, sewing class. We have calligraphy, sewing, painting workshops, beer making workshops.
Wow! Ang dami. So, those activities will start
Hopefully
next year.
next year it will continue because we've had that before.
Ayan. So, ano naman po ba dito sa area na to? Because I can see na there's another pond dun sa lugar na yon. So,
Alika, pakainin natin yung mga isda.
ayun! Excited na ako. So, we will be feeding fish, Rizaleño. So, tingnan natin. Wow! Look at that, Rizaleño. Tingnan nyo. Ang laki naman. Ang laki ng mga fish. Look at that, Rizaleños. Wow!
You want to feed?
Sure po.
Dito
Sure.
lang. Ayan, pupunta na sila dito. Pupunta.
Yan na. So, let's feed. Wow! Dito na lang po sa malapit, ma'am, para makita.
Hindi pa nila.
Wow, ang nice naman. The kids will surely enjoy ito, yung ganitong activity. And now, alert level 2. Kids are welcome as long as may kasama sila na adult. Na vaccinated, of course. Not, ma'am, tama po ba, ma'am? So, kailangan Rizaleños vaccinated and may kasamang adult, of course. Yan, di ba? Nice! Wala natin. What's that? Daming fish! Wala natin dito lang. Come here, fish! Wow! Nice! Ang daming fish! Nice! Nakakatuwa naman, ma'am. So, what else can we do here sa Crescent mo, ma'am? Can you tour us around?
I will wait. We'll wait for the fish. More fish.
So, tutur na tayo, Rizaleños, ni Ma'am Lannelle. Ayan. So, sinabi niyo pa na parang merong mga dalawang dining area, tama po? Or tatlo?
Well, now 3.
Now, 3. Okay. So, they have 3 dining area. So, lahat po ba ito, ma'am, Alfresco dining?
Medyo alfresco doon because it's all windows, but come, let's go.
Sure. So, let's tour. So, this is the first dining area. And the guests have options po, like where they would like to be seated. Tama po ba, ma'am?
By reservation.
By reservation, of course. Wow!
This is the main and first dining area.
Wow.
This is our first, and then
Dining area.
we have our store here. We make them here. We make the ceramics here in the compound.
Wow. And ito po, for sale.
For sale, yeah, we make them here.
Wow. Sila niya Rizaleno. Ayan. So, wow. So these are the tables. Ayan. So look at the interior. Parang may pagka-Bali feel. And let us check the potteries. Lahat po ito, ma'am, handmade.
Yeah, we pour into molds na. But it's all hand poured, hand glazed, individually hand glazed.
Can we see po? Yan. Wow, lahat po ito gawa niyo, ma'am?
I have my workers now. My workers make them.
Wow, napakadaming pottery. Napakadaming pots and lahat. Parang all kitchenwares is nandito. Ayan, look at that. Swirling donut. Nice. And ref magnet. And that one. Hello, wow. Napaka-talented naman ni Ma'am Lannelle. And look at this. Nice. Wow. Look at that. Look at that, Rizaleno. Diba? Nice. And yes, the second dining area. Yan.
The second. And then I'll show you also. This is our new kitchen, but it's not open yet.
So that is the main kitchen po. Where
The name
you
is there, and this is the other
the
kitchen.
second one. Wow.
And then this is
Look at that. So
You can
beautiful.
pause, the kids can pause.
Wow. Are this ano po? Pots? Oh, nice. Ang galing. Gawa niyo po yan, ma'am?
we made them. We used molds. Tapos inisa-isa ko. During the pandemic, walang magawa. Inisa-isa ko
Super
yan.
nice. Super nice, ma'am. Dadagdagan niyo po ba po yan? Or as is na siya?
Maybe the ones na
Ang ganda. I love it. I'll take picture dyan later. And of course, this is another dining area. Ayan.
And this is where we have pottery lesson.
Wow.
So look at the view. Look at this.
This is nice.
Gawa ni Tet and Maggie. Gawa ni Tet. So, yeah, then
Nice.
I'll put magazines here.
So cute.
And then matching sa bathtub doon sa labas.
Nice. Yes. Ang
So this
cute
is
po.
a nice angle here. Yeah.
Yes. Nice. Ang cute. Nice. So may I'll take picture po, ma'am. Nice. Ang cute.
Gawa ni Majel
Ni
at ni
Majel.
Tet.
And then this
So,
is
dito yung pottery workshop. Yeah.
ilang tao po per batch?
10.
10. Okay.
I'll add another table.
Ayan, Rizaleños, again, take note, starting yan next year. So,
we
book
need
na kayo.
reservations. It's, yeah, they will give you the details.
But they can book na as early as now
Yes,
po.
they have to. The workshops are only one day, 9 a.m. to 12 noon.
12 noon. Okay, so for the, of course, ang pinakabago dito sa the Crescent Moon Cafe and Studio Pottery, this one, of course.
We made the tiles.
Wow! Look at that, Rizaleños! Ang ganda ng tiles! Even yung tiles, ma'am, kayo po yung gumawa. Wow, wow! So nice! Ang ganda! Look at the details talaga. Every spot dito sa cafe nila has a touch of art talaga. Nakakatuwa. Talagang malalaman mo na talagang artist ang owner. You would
Michelle.
Ayan, so that's the dining. Alfresco dining. And Yuli, parang Bali yung feel talaga. Nice, very nice. Very interior, very Instagrammable. Ayan yung hanap ng mga tao ngayon, ma'am. And of course, close to nature. Talagang parang instant getaway place talaga to. Parang,
Yeah, we made the tile.
look at the tiles, details. Wow, ang galing. And even dun po sa taas yung mga bottles.
You'll see it.
And nakakatawa kasi po parang reusable. I mean, recycled materials.
Recycled.
So, nakakatuwa. Nice.
So this is going to be the events place.
Event place. But, pag
I'll
puno
turn
na
on
po
the
yung
light.
sa baba, pwede na rin po. Wow! Wow, I love it, Mom. It's so nice.
Gawa namin yung lamps.
Wow!
Tapos, alam mo yung
Look at that. Mm-hmm.
katapos ng farm.
Opo.
Yan ang mga wood.
Wow! Nice!
Kanino to?
And there's a touch po talaga ng Crescent Moon because look at the tiles, Rizaleños.
Gawa rin namin yan.
Look at the tiles. Ang ganda mo.
Sa Crescent Moon, sa pinaglaro-laro
Opo,
namin.
ang ganda. It's so nice.
And this is the toilet.
And look at that. Talagang may touch ng Crescent Moon. I so love it, ma'am. Ang nice.
Gawa namin to.
And ito yung mga recycled bottles.
Yeah,
ko, ma'am.
recycled wine bottles.
And it's also, parang for the daylight.
Tingnan nyo, may light pa rin.
Oh, there's a light din po. Wow,
Oo.
nice.
Tapos ito, Crescent Moon,
So, ito naman po is pag may mga private gatherings
Yes,
and small
may groups.
events.
Okay.
Ayan. So, this is available na po for rental.
Yes,
Wow!
the first event,
Nice!
we have 26 guests lang for the wedding on Friday.
Nice! So beautiful, ma'am. Ang ganda!
Tapos, syempre, support natin yung Easter Weaving School sa Baguio. They weave that.
Wow! So, support local din po kayo dito sa Crescent Moon. Ay! Ayan. Oh. And those po.
Oo, all the
Ganda! I so love it. Magkano po yung rental ng gantong area?
Walang rental. They just order the food.
Wow!
But we're still fixing the packages. And then look, you can see if you have date. Di sa labas na.
Wow!
You can hear the water.
Pero pag sa baba po, if they request na mag-dine in here sa taas, okay lang po.
Wala pa, they don't know it. Kasi we haven't opened it.
Okay.
It's so new.
So, kaya nga po ito.
Hindi pa nga nalinis.
Ang ganda po ma'am. So nice. And dito naman, look at that view. Oh, diba? Can you hear the waterfalls? So nice, ma'am. I love it. Look at that, Rizaleños. Diba? Oh, there's another one. Ang ganda. Oh my God, ang ganda. I so love it here. Ang ganda, ma'am. Ang ganda. I'll take pictures dun sa mga details mamaya.
Thank you, Risha.
Nung mga bawat tiles. Kasi ang ganda talaga, ma'am.
You,
Talagang may order.
you reserve. I'll treat you to a workshop.
Ah, sige po. Sige po. Sige po. Whatever date po, ma'am. Sige.
I'll tell you the dates.
Oo. Look at the trees, Rizaleños, diba? Parang, ang ganda talaga. I'll take pictures of this. Look at the tiles details. Look, oh, napaka-detailed. And ang ganda. Parang one of a kind. Hindi mo yan talaga makikita.
Kasi one by one namin biniglaze.
Oo, hand-painted. Hand-painted din po lahat. Wow, very nice. Gusto naman. Look at that. Pero, paano pa pag mag-request? Halimbawa, bibili sila ng tiles, like, tapos magpapa-customize po sa inyo. Do you accept job orders like that? Wow. Ang ganda. It's so nice here. Tingnan nyo, Rizaleños. Look at that. Look at that. So nice. And, of course, there's a Christmas feel na rin po. Ayan.
20 years old na yan.
No po.
Yung parol.
And look at this. Rizaleños. We have, sino po ba yung ating mga kasama today, ma'am? Introduce naman natin sila. We have Hi po, si Miss Cristel, right?
Yes.
And sila ma'am from Antipolo Arts and Tourism, of course. And si ma'am. Ayan, hi po tayo sa ating mga Rizaleños. Ayan. So, friends po kayo ni Madam, right? Ayan.
They're the artists. They made some furniture. Majel's mom in Kadapan has works inside there. Pet and Maggie made the furniture there.
Napakaganda. Ano po yung pinaka-gusto nyo rito sa Crescent Ms?
Play, syempre.
Yung place.
When you're with friends and with art. Yung weather niya, ang sarap.
Because of the air. Kasi open air siya. So, and the trees, ayun. So, look at that, Rizaleños. Diba? Ang ganda. So, I can see may mga reservations na talaga agad. So we have Miss Cristel, ayan, Rizaleños. Sabi ko kanina, Rizaleños, babalik ako with the food. And now, I am with Miss Lannelle again. And Miss Cristel, of course, of the Crescent Moon Cafe and Studio Pottery. Because they will introduce what are the bestseller and must try dito sa the Crescent Moon. Ayan. So, can you please, Miss Cristel, introduce po what are this? Yung mga...
So, ito ang star namin talaga. This is the alagaw. It's a DIY salad wrap.
DIY salad wrap. And what are this po?
This is,
Can we go through?
Okay. This is alagaw leaves. Alam mo yung pito-pito na tea?
Oh, yes po.
Isa sa pito ay alagaw.
Alagaw. Okay po.
So, ganito to. Alagaw dito. Tapos, lalagyan ng basil, luya, ginger, onions, dried coconut.
So, kailangan po lahat siya? Or
Hindi
according
kasi
to preference mo?
baka ayaw yung sili. Ayoko naman
So, we
sili.
can skip po.
Opo. Tapos ito, kamyas. Summer, mangga.
Mangga.
Tapos ito, ang tawag nito, dilis or yun, dilis. Tapos ito, yung peanut sauce, ilalagay sa imabaw. Yan.
Wow!
Tapos,
Can you please try, ma'am? Ayan, of course, i-roll. Ayan. Para po yan. And there. You see? Wow! Yun, sarap. And this one naman po, Miss Cristel.
So, we have ito yung seafood curry soup namin. We have a pumpkin soup also and the tomka.
Ayan. And this one.
Pumpkin soup and then the tomka.
And this one po.
Ito yung aming mushroom and tofu dish namin. So, it's vegan.
Vegan. Ayun. So, thank you so much, Miss Cristel.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. And of course, we will try this naman, Rizaleños, with Sir Mar Bacani. Ayan, of course. Tatry na natin yung food, Sir Mar Bacani. Ayan. So, balikan ko ulit kayo, Rizaleños. Ano masabi niyo, Sir Mar, sa food?
Excellent.
tapos yun ang Cristel.
And si Gian, ikaw nga, try mga alagaw.
Matry ko naman.
Natry mo na?
So, ito na. Here are some of the items on our menu. First, we have yung mga meat dish. Sige, ito na lang. Let's start with the noodles. This is Asian glass noodles namin. Stir-fried noodles. With lots of vegetables. And then, next we have our meat dishes. So, we have two kinds of chicken. This is the 12-spice chicken. And then we have what's this? The chicken wings. This is our chicken wings. This has meron siyang special na mulberry sauce. So, this is parang salty and sweet. Tapos medyo may tart siya ng konti. Kasi may gumagamit kami ng mulberries. Tapos ito naman is our lemongrass pork belly. With pickled carrots and radish. Oo. Tapos, ito yung aming famous na beef rendang. Ito.
So that's another Thailand dish?
Hindi. It's Indonesian Malay. Oo. Indonesian Malay. Kasi yung pagkain ng Crescent Cafe, Southeast Asian fusion.
Southeast Asia.
Oo.
So, Thailand, Southeast Asia.
Oo. Indonesia, Singapore, ganyan. And then we have this is catfish, hito. Crispy catfish with the dipping sauce is sambal. This is spicy. And then we have the sweet and sour dipping sauce. Ito yung special na mulberry sauce ng chicken. So, yan. Maraming kulay. Maraming mga
Yes,
pagkain.
parang isang signature din po yan ng mga Southeast Asian dish
Oo.
po. No?
Yung mga...
Maraming color.
Oo. So, hindi kami yung... It's more of fusion. It's our version of the different Thai dishes and Malaysian dishes or Indonesian dishes that we want to eat ourselves.
So,
Kaya
parang
ito yung...
the touch of parang very own version. And this one po?
Ito ang 12 spice chicken namin. So, medyo maanghang siya. Tapos, lahat yung mga Asian spices nandyan. It's in the sauce. So, this is pan-grilled chicken, Thai part, with side of stir-fried greens.
Pero dito po sa mga dishes na yan, ano po yung pinaka-favorite nyo? Or must try?
Ito, must try.
So must try.
Beef rendang. Beef rendang. That's our signature talaga.
Signature dish. Ayun. So,
But everything is good.
everything is good. Thank you so much po. Thank you. So, we are done with our lunch and now, of course, kailangan meron tayong pa-dessert from, of course, Crescent Moon and Crescent Moon Cafe and Studio Pottery. So, again, we have Miss Lannelle. Ayan. So, hello. As a dessert, of course, since nasa Antipolo po tayo, ang Crescent Moon is merong ino-offer na must try talaga naman.
The Crescent Moon Cafe.
Signature suman.
Ito po, gawa namin dito. May suman kami. May white suman, tapos nilalagyan ng tsokolate. And then, white suman kung gusto nyo with mangga. And white suman, pwedeng ganito. Yung white suman, pwede rin lagyan ng
Ice cream.
ice
on top.
cream.
Wow!
Ito with tsokolate. Ito, black suman. May gata at inadobong kasoy.
Wow! So, with antipolo, gata with adobong katoy. So, yan, titikman ni Sir Mar. Of course. Of course, dahil ito ang pinakatatak na antipolo. Ayan. Ni Sir Mar.
I think black suman
Yes, black suman.
with adobong kasoy and chocolate. Wow! Perfect!
Perfect, yeah. Talagang antipolo po ba, Sir Mar? Ayan. Iba't ibang suman. So, iba't ibang style. Tama po, iba't ibang style ng suman ang pwede nyong matikman. So, sobrang busog namin. Actually, ang sasarap na pagkain dito sa Crescent Moon Cafe and Studio Pottery. So, for more details, kailangan din, of course, nakalike kayo sa Facebook page nila And before you go here, Rizaleños, kailangan you book for a reservation na din muna. Kasi it is very important na meron kayong reservation. And of course, kailangan is fully vaccinated. For the last time, Sir Mark, can you please invite, of course, our fellow Rizaleños, hindi lamang dito sa Crescent Moon Cafe, kundi sa Antipolo. Tara na pumasyal sa Antipolo.
Oh, sa lahat ng mga viewers, when in Rizal, tayo na po sa Antipolo, dito po sa Crescent Moon, at you will enjoy the food, not only the food, the ambience, you can see the big kois, ang lalaki ng kois, and then the surrounding, the plants, we have waterfalls, and you can buy also the potteries and the plates. Kasi
Ang gaganda.
ang gaganda ng mga plates na gawa nila. Ang mahirap basagin to. Kahit
So talagang pang heavy duty.
yes.
Na
So, tayo na po sa Antipolo.
Yun. Thank you, Sir Marbacani. And, of course, kasama natin si Gian. Gian, nag-enjoy ka ba? Kamusta naman ang iyong experience? Sa
Nag-enjoy ako, tapos grabe, sobrang nabusog ako sa lahat na
Tumataba na pa.
Oo, tumataba na. Sabay-sabay na tayo ba? And si Sir, kamusta naman po ang Crescent Moon experience?
enjoy the food so much.
Oo, yan. So, yung Rizaleño, sobra talagang nakaka-enjoy dito sa Crescent Moon Cafe and Studio Pottery. Of course, tingnan nyo, di ba yan? So, again, like and follow nyo na yung kanilang Facebook page. And before kayo pumunta rito, kailangan, nakabook na po kayo. And of course, kailangan fully vaccinated. Ayun. And ang maganda rin dito, Rizaleños, is welcome lahat. So, no age restriction. Pwede rin po ang inyong mga pets. So, again, kailangan lamang po naka-diaper ang ating mga pets, no? To avoid na rin po yung pagkalat ng kanilang mga dumi, of course, dito sa The Crescent Moon Cafe. And of course, hindi naman kompleto ang tour na ito, of course, ang vlog na ito, if hindi nyo ito makikita. So, halos lahat ng nagpupunta rito sa The Crescent Moon Cafe and Studio Pottery, meron ding picture sa spot na to. So, I want to show it to you, of course. Ayan, ang very artistic wall ng Crescent Moon and Cafe. Ayan siya. Ayan. So, ang dami nagpipicture dyan kanina. And because it's Sunday, ayan, ang daming tao. So, I'm so happy, Rizaleños, because we have another discoveries for you. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, subscribe na kayo para naman lagi din kayong updated sa mga bagong ganap at bagong discoveries namin dito sa Rizal. Ayan. So, subscribe ka na, follow na sa lahat ng aming social media accounts, at sabay-sabay nating pasyalin at i-discover ang ating probinsya. Ayan. So, I think I'll be ending this vlog na. Sa susunod nating support local at pasyal sa Rizal vlog. Bye, Rizaleños!